It's Thursday. You know what that means. Today I'll be showing you how to do a Valentine's Day look. So you can look good on your date or watching Netflix with your cat. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, links to all the products that I use will be in the description. Alright, so first we're going in with our base, which is the color Flower Child from the Tartelette in Bloom palette. If you don't have this palette, it's just like a base that's closest to your skin tone. If you're going with a darker look, then you want to go with like a color that's darker than your skin tone. But if you're going with a lighter or like a more neutral look, then you want to go as closest to your skin tone as possible. So Flower Child is as close to my skin as possible since it's a light and neutral look. And again with the base, you just want to go into your eyelash line to your crease. So the next color I'm going in with is the Burnt Orange from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance Beverly Hills. This is just a burnt orange, really. It's like a chestnut-ish color. It's really nice and it's like a very good color to build up with. And with this color, I'm just going in my crease, starting to build it up. So next I'm going in with Raw Sienna, which is just a little bit of a darker chestnut. It's more cool toned, and I'm also just deepening up my crease again. And Raw Sienna is from the same Modern Renaissance palette. So next I'm going in with Warm Taupe from the same Modern Renaissance palette. It's like very cool brown, almost to the point where it's like a little bit gray. The Modern Renaissance palette is like perfect for Valentine's Day looks because there's so many pinks and reds and oranges even. They're really nice. And the key to all these makeup looks are really to like blend, of course, like up even into your eyebrows to make sure that it's like smooth and blended. So from the Modern Renaissance, again, I'm going in with Love Letter just in my crease, and I'm really trying to deepen it and make it more pinky and start to show the Valentine's Day part of it. With Love Letter, I'm going to create more of a halo effect, so I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm also going to put it on like my lid on the inner corner of my eye, so that when I'm done I can put a shimmery pink in the middle and just really make my eyes look bigger. For this part, you're going to want to use a tapered brush again, and it's going to be hard to make it just so like little in this part and on your inner corner. So if you have to, just put it on like your entire lid and then just put more pigment of the shimmer later. Do better! That's what they say.
Who?
Those, the ones who say. Now, we're going in with the maroon from the NYX Professional Makeup Perfect Filter. They don't have names, but they're all really pretty. They're just like really rust tones, and I always use rust tones. And with this maroon, you're also going to want to dip into Leader from the Tartelette Bloom palette, which is just even a darker, more gray undertone. And you're just going to want to deepen your crease. Okay, where the hell did my sparkly stuff go?
It's been
Makeup
dampened.
hack. Get your boyfriend to dampen your brushes for you. So next we're going in to create this halo effect with the color Unsupervised from the ColourPop Golden State of Mind. Shout out Catherine for getting me for this for Christmas. I love you. And this color is just a very sparkly, corally pink. Next, you're going with the tapered brush again, and you're just going to want to blend in that light pink with the reds that you already have with the Warm Taupe and the Love Letter mixed. So next, I'm going with the Stila Magnificent Metals in the color Smoldering Satin, just to make the sparkles that I just put on pop. So next we're going in with the red ochre from the Modern Renaissance, and again we're just deepening the outer corner and the inner corner and blending the glitter. Because 2 glitters is not enough, we have to go in with a third from Naked Cosmetics in the shade Desert Sunset. This is so pigmented, I'm crying! Wow. Wow! So next we're using this, the Luminizer by Mary Lou Manizer. I'm putting this on my inner corner just to make it pop. I'm also putting this right under my eyebrows. And we're using red ochre just to go under my eye. And again, this is just deep red, sort of maroonish. And since this is so red, you really want to make sure it's concentrated under your eye so it doesn't look like you have an infection or a disease or something like that. Just to deepen it even more, we're going in with Cypress Umber under my eyes, more in the corner though. So now I'm using the Laur Yellow Lash Gloss. I'm good at football too. Number 13, Powder Puff. Yeah. Challenge you any day, Nick Foles. Okay, so next we're going in with Maybelline New York Color Blur. And this color is... I like to mauve it. Shade 50. Like to mauve it? That's pretty funny. Like I like to move it.
I got it.
From Madagascar.
It's not from Madagascar, but yeah. They did not make that song for Madagascar.
The second option for your lips could be over the I like to mauve it, could be the Buxom in the shade Katie, just to provide like a glossy finish. With the color blur stick on the Maybelline and the lip gloss, it's gonna make your lips have a really smooth overlay. It's just gonna be very like nice. Alright, and the third option, but definitely not the last, is the Hangry by the Tartist Lip Paint. This is a really pretty maroon. You're gonna want to put chapstick on before you put this on because it's very matte and it's very like dry.
I don't want it back for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this look, make sure you try and send me a picture.
I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse down with the road, yeah. Might go down to G.O.D., yeah.